experts, please report to room A9.
Hi guys, Exeter here. Welcome to Captain Wheeler. This is what the movie will look like to begin with. It will have a spinning wheel. And we're going to note down three things about this. The colour, the rotation, and the speed. The speed, this is noticeably fast. This will be medium, and then slow will be noticeably slow. Like, the way this is turning, it will be more, it will be even slower than this, basically. So let's go with this one first. So we have magenta. We have counterclockwise. And we have fast. We now click on the wheel. Do you know when you press the wheel, you won't be able to get the information back? And we get where we submit our answer. We're going to use either this table or this table, depending on the last digit of the serial number. Last digit of the serial number is even, so we're going to be using this one, but they both function the same way. We're going to take the colour of the wheel, magenta, and the direction it was turning, counterclockwise, and find the row where both conditions apply. So, for example, here, where both conditions apply, there will only be one row that applies for this. So our captain name is Admiral Snicker, which was already on. Now going down to here, we're going to figure out what boat we're going to be taking. First, we're going to take the first letter of the serial number, that's P, convert it to an alphabetical position. P is 16. Yeah. Then we're going to add the last digit of the serial number.
Emergency clear.
So 16 plus 2.
Please return to your stations.
2 plus 2 is 18. That's our result A. Then we're going to use the table on the right with the wheel speed, which was fast, and the captain we got from this table, Admiral Snicker. And our other number is 27. We're going to subtract the first from the second, and then take the absolute value, which would be just the equivalent of subtracting the bigger from the smaller. This would be 9. This is our result C. With result Z, we take the last digit of the number. We don't have to because we have 9. And then add 1, 10. This is our result D. Now we're going to see the difference between the lits and unlits. If the amount of lits and unlits are the same, count the ships in Chinese reading order. These just show you different types of reading order. So, Chinese reading order, starting from the top right corner, so from up here, move down the column and go from right to left down the columns. So we have 10, this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alpha Kestrel is what we're going for. But of course we can't submit yet. We need to have a submit condition. This is where we look at the badge on top of the hat. You look at the badge on top of the hat, and it will either be the regular KTaNE logo, the KTaNE logo but in black and white, or the KTaNE logo but golden. This one is, as you can see, just the regular logo. So we're going to be submitting when the last digit of the time is equal to digit root of all the digits in the serial number. The digit root of digits in the serial number is 7. So we're going to be submitting when the last digit is 7. And we get a self-module. Let's do one more example. So going back up, all the way back up here, we're going to take the colour, which is yellow. We're going to take the rotation, that means the direction, which is counter again. And then we're taking the speed, and this is medium. Last digit serial number is still even, so we're using this table. We've got yellow counter, which is this one. So our Admiral is Admiral Quirky. Once again, remember that as soon as you press the wheel, you can't get the wheel back, so The wheel speed is medium, and our Admiral was Admiral Quirky, or Admiral or Captain, or Davy Jones. So our second number, remember, is 28. I'm just showing that you can typically get the numbers in either order. And then getting the first number again, it's going to be 18 again because we have the same serial number. Yeah. And now subtracting this, we get 10 this time. 18 minus 28 is 10. Absolute value is 10. So subtracting is minus 10, absolute value is 10. You don't see take the last digit of the number. So since we have 10, that's going to be 0, and add 1, 1. And then, again, the indicators is the same. So we'll be doing Chinese reading order again. So we're going to be going for the first one here, MS Dual. And of course, and the badge once again is regular, so we're going to be submitting when the last digit is a 7. And we get another sub-module. Before I finish off the tutorial, I'll go over some other stuff. Braille reading order here is starting from the top left corner, similar to reading order, but you go down the columns and left to right, rather than left to right and down the columns. So you don't go across like this. You'll go SS Deutsche Welle, then OF as Cathedral, then HMS Fizz, then Jericho, and so on. And then these conditions. Golden, the second digit adds up to the first digit in the serial number. That means the two digits, when you add them together, become the first digit of the serial number. So if it was 0, you could only submit on 00, for example. If you had 7, you could submit on 25, 52, 34, 43, or 07. Not 70 because that's not a thing. If I do black and white, submit when the second parts of the timer contains only 0s or 1s. This means you can submit on 00, 01, 10, and 11. That's the only way you could do that on. Other than that, I don't think there's anything else I need to explain. Just remember that for the speed, fast and slow will be noticeably fast and slow. If it doesn't seem like either is probably medium. Anyway, hopefully you understand how that works, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.